on Your Side at noon.
And welcome to 13 on Your Side at noon. This morning, defense attorneys for former GRPD Officer Christopher Schurr, who's charged with second-degree murder in the shooting death of Patrick Lyoya, called one more witness to testify. It's now up to the judge to decide whether there's enough probable cause to go to trial. 13 on Your Side's Veronica Ortega live outside the courthouse with the very latest. Veronica.
Val, like you just said, defense attorneys for former GRPD police officer Christopher Schurr, who is charged with second-degree murder for the shooting death of Patrick Lyoya, called one more witness to testify. And the judge is waiting until Monday to decide if there's enough probable cause to go to trial. The final witness to testify, a captain with the Grand Rapids Police Department with more than 20 years of experience, who is a defensive tactics and master taser instructor. The defense argued Lyoya was resisting and obstructing arrest, which is a felony offense. The police captain also outlined factors that may have impacted Schurr's decision-making at the time of the struggle, including exhaustion. Lyoya had a weight advantage and attempted to disarm the officer by taking his taser. The captain says he believes Schurr did everything he was trained to do.
Did Officer Schurr then move on to use what his training would deem reasonable measures to attempt to gain control of the suspect?
Yes, he attempted to tackle and control him on the ground. He was unable to.
The Kent County prosecutor says there is no question there was a death and an intent to kill, but it's up to a jury to decide if the action was justified. Schurr's attorneys disagreeing, arguing that the prosecutor did not provide enough evidence to prove that the action was unreasonable.
That's what this case is about. I mean, so I don't want to say too much. That's going to be up to, that's what the judge is going to weigh in, and we think it should go to a jury for that. This is a question for the jury, and that's our position. When you look at the law and you look at the case law, as I said in there, it's a question for the jury.
I know it's upsetting to people that he got shot back in the head. It's upsetting to watch. Nobody wants to see someone die on camera, but the fact of the matter is, it doesn't matter once he makes the decision to use deadly force.
The judge will be spending the weekend reviewing the facts and going over witness testimony before making a decision on Monday at 10 a.m. Stay with 13 on Your Side for continuing coverage. I'm live in Grand Rapids. Veronica Ortega, 13 on Your Side.
Thank you, Veronica. And we will continue to follow the hearing throughout the day. You can also watch the live stream of the hearing on our website, 13onyourside.com.